Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can make a clock using Python. So let's get started. So first of all, create a new project and then name it, and after that we have import Kinter. So tap here from Kinter import, and then we need from Kinter dot ttk import all. So now let's import time. So from time import strf time. Now let's create a UI for our clock. So I will type root is equal to tk brackets, and let's say the title for our root. So I will type root dot title to clock. So now let's create a label to store our clock. So I will type label is equal to label, and here the first parameter will be a root, and the second is font. And for the font I will use a custom font which name is DS Digital. So I will give the download link of this font in the description. You have to download these font, and you have to just install it by clicking here. So for the font name I'm write DS Digital, and for the font size I will take 80, and then let's set a background for our clock. So I will type background is equal to black, and for the foreground type foreground is equals to cyan. Now let's pack our label. So I will type label dot pack, and let's say to the center. Now let's define a function to get our time. So type def time, and here I will type string is equals to strf time, and the format will be our minutes, seconds, and the AM or PM. Now let's set this time to the label. So label dot config, and for the text I will type string, and then let's try to call our time function on every second. So I will type label dot after, and the first parameter will be 1000, which is 1 second, and on every 1 second we will call the time function itself. And now outside of the time function let's call our time function, and we have to type main loop. Now let's try to run our program. So you can see it's showing the clock. So that's it in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.